If your ML350 is making noise, pulling to one side, or showing that brake warning light, don't panic. Most brake system problems on this SUV are caused by simple issues you can fix cheaply at home. The ML350 is known for brake wear, squeaking, and soft pedal issues. But here's the truth. Over 70% of these problems come from parts that are cheap and fast to replace. This video shows you how to fix them. These are the top brake issues ML350 owners experience. Squeaking or grinding noise, brake vibration when slowing down, soft or spongy brake pedal, brake warning light on vehicle pulling left or right during braking, excess brake dust, slow braking response. If you've seen any of these, the cause is usually simple. Here are the most common reasons for brake problems on the ML350. Worn brake pads, warped rotors, sticking brake caliper pins, low brake fluid, faulty brake or sensor air in brake lines, cheap aftermarket pads causing noise, rust buildup behind the brake pads. The good news is that most of these are easy fixes. These are simple, low-cost solutions that solve most ML350 brake issues. Replace brake pads. A set of quality pads is affordable and makes an instant difference. Resurface or replace rotors. If you feel vibrations, the rotors are warped. Lubricate caliper slide pins. Fixes squeaking, uneven wear, and pulling. Replace brake or sensors. This fixes the brake warning light without expensive repairs. Top up brake fluid. If the pedal feels soft, check the brake fluid level. Clean brake dust and rust buildup. A simple cleaning removes noise-causing debris. Bleed the brake system. Removes air pockets and restores pedal firmness. All of these can be done with basic tools. Some brake issues require professional intervention. Leaking brake lines, bad caliper piston, faulty ABS, pump master cylinder failure, severe rotor grooving. If any of these are present, let a qualified technician handle the job. Here's what you can expect to spend. Brake pads, low-cost wear sensors, low-cost brake fluid, low-cost caliper pin service, low-cost rotor replacement, medium-cost ABS or master cylinder repair. High cost. For most ML350 owners, the cheap fixes solve the problem. If your brakes are acting up, follow this checklist before spending money at the workshop. Drop your symptoms in the comments, and I'll help you diagnose them. Like and subscribe for more ML350 repair guides and DIY fixes.